Hello, welcome to Graphic Week TV. We want to learn how to design a birthday flyer. Okay, so our dimension is 735 pixels by 951 pixels. Okay, so right now we bring in the images. So we drag in the three images. Right. And the next thing we are going to do is to remove the background. We go to select and we go to we select the image, then we hit on add layer mask. Okay. Then we hit on the layer and convert it to smart object. So we go to the second one. We hit on select and we hit on then we hit on layer mask. Then we convert it to smart objects. We select the third one. We go to select. We hit on subject. And we select it and we hit on layer mask. Then we hit on convert to smart object. Right now we have removed the background of each of the image. So this is what we have now. So the next thing is to arrange the images and bring in the background. So now we have arranged the pictures how we want it to be. Okay, that's how I want it to be. So you as a designer, you can set your pictures the way you want it to be. Okay, so this is the actual position I want the pictures to be. So right now we are going to um, edit the pictures. Let's make the picture pop. Okay, so that's it. We are going to start with the big one. Okay, so we go to filter, we go to camera raw. So that's it. Now, already in camera raw, there are presets I have already set. Okay, look at them here. Just use that preset. Okay, so you see it's changing. It's changing. Okay, this one is brighter. This one is darker. Okay, which I have already done and saved in my Photoshop. So I have to choose this. Okay, and we say okay. All right, so we choose the second one and we go to filter, camera raw, filter. Okay, that's it here. So we go to preset, okay? So we make it brighter, okay? So we choose this. I have already saved the preset, okay? So say okay. Then we choose the third one and we go to filter, we go to camera raw filter, then we choose preset, okay? So we are going to choose, okay, let's choose this. All right. So this is what we have, okay? So this image and this are not the same, but this and this are the same. So we are going to remove this, okay? We remove this, then we duplicate this. We hit Ctrl T and we flip horizontal. So we are going to expand it, okay? And we choose this, okay? We bring it up here, take this up, and we take this up. Okay, so this is it. This is what we have. We are going to make one of these pictures um black, okay? So which one do we choose? We take this, okay? So we go to filter, we go to camera raw filter, and we go to basic and apply saturation, okay? Then add contrast a little, then add clarity, okay? Then add a little exposure, okay? And we say okay, right? So this is it. Now we are going to minimize the images, three of them. So we are going to select the three of them. We are going to select the three of them. Okay. We have selected the three of them and we minimize. Okay, then we are going to add transparency to this. Okay, we select it and we hit on layer mask, then hit on gradient tool, and we bring it down. Okay. All right, and we change it to smart object. Then we choose this. Okay, and we hit on layer mask. We hit on gradient tool, and we take it down. Okay, we take it down this way. Okay, and we hit on convert to smart object. Then we take the third one, we hit on layer mask, and we hit on gradient tool, and we take it down from here. So that's it. So we are going to convert to smart object. So that's what we have. All right, now we are going to bring in the background. Now, before we do that, I would love to let you know that we have different types of background. Okay, and as a designer, we try to get a background that will be um, very good for the design that we are doing. Okay, for the design we are creating. So for cultural birthday designs, okay, we have pattern background. Okay, pattern backgrounds. We have textured background. We have solid color background. We have gradient background. Okay, we have minimalistic background. Very clean, very simple. Okay, cream, white, light colors, few decorative elements, and so on and so forth. So for this fictional birthday flyer, we are going to choose the background for it, and I would love us to take okay, decorative background. Okay, um or pattern background. Okay, so we are going to choose one of the backgrounds that will be very good with the design we are creating. Okay, now let's go get the background. So another thing is that um, you can choose your background from the cloth or the attire with the image. Okay, so we are looking for the background that will be very okay with this, very minimalistic. Still searching for a background. Okay, let's take this. All right.